Hey, my name's Nick, and today I'm here to announce that we have an amazing new addition to the Postal Marketplace, wine and spirits. Grabbing a drink with customers has been a strategy that people in sales and marketing have used for decades, but you can't always meet everyone in person, which is why we have had so many people request that we add this category so that they can send it through Postal and help drive revenue by creating personable connections. We offer a variety of wines, champagnes, hard liquor, glass sets, and even cocktail kits. What better way to run a virtual happy hour than enjoying the same drink with all of your attendees? Whether you're trying to get a bottle of Johnny Walker Blue Label into the hands of a C-level executive, or want to send Bollinger champagne to a client when they renew their contract, Postal can help you make that happen. You have to come see our selection in the Postal Marketplace and learn how easy it is to add into your sales and marketing process. Sign up today. Cheers.